Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve the knotless goddess braid in this video. So this is a half box braid and half fit in cornrows. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and jump straight into the video. So I'm starting by cutting the braiding hair extension in half. So next I'm going to go ahead and pull on the ends to give me extra length. And also I have a separate video showing you guys how I prep my braiding hair extensions before each protective style. So be sure to check the link in our description box down below. So be sure to check that out if you want to know more details about that. Alright, so next right here I'm going to go ahead and separate my hair off camera. Okay, all done. So I've already did most of the back section, which is the box braid. So right here I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I did the knotless box braid. So I went ahead and section off the hair I want for the box braid, and then I separated that section into three equal size before going ahead to braid it. So before adding the braiding hair extension, I'm gonna make sure I have a firm grip on the roots of the hair before adding the braiding hair extension. So to do the knotless box braid, I'm taking the braiding hair extension and I place it in between my fingers and put it the one on top towards the front, so that way it's out of the way while I'm trying to work with the bottom piece. So to make sure that you have the knotless box braid, so what I did right here, I took my hair and then rotate the braiding hair extension under my natural hair. So that helps to hide the braiding hair color and also help to ensure that I have the knotless braid. So that's all I did for this part. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with the second piece of braiding hair. So also doing the same thing, I'm gonna place I'm gonna place the braiding hair extensions in between my fingers and push the top one towards the front, so that way it's out of the way while I work with the bottom piece. So for this hairstyle, I use 2 packs of braiding hair, the big size of braiding hair. If you're using the small size of braiding hair, you're gonna need 3 to 4 packs of the braiding hair. But if you're using the big size, then 2 packs should definitely be enough. And this is Darlene braiding hair in the color orange. Yes, I know guys, the hair is super bright, but I love the color. I love everything about this hair, the color, the style, everything. I love it. But as always, you don't have to use the same hair color I use in this video. You can use any hair color of your choice. So on this side right here, I have a total of 7 cornrows braids, and for the design today, this was a plan. I just decided to go with this design after I did about 3 braids on the front. So I decided to just change my mind and go with this design, and I absolutely love the design. The fact that I changed my mind and went with this design, I really love it because it's unique, it's different. I haven't done this kind of braid design before, so I figured to just give it a try. And right here I'm gonna go ahead and do 3 cornrows right in on the middle with this not straight, like an angle braids. So you're gonna see it once it's done, so it's better for you to see it than for me trying to explain this to you. So right here I'm just going ahead to apply edge wax on the roots of my hair, so that will help it to tame the hair in place. And next I'm going in with a comb to comb the hair to make sure it's tangle free. So right here I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do the fit in cornrows. So also doing the same thing, I'm starting with my own natural hair first before going in with the braiding hair extension. So what I did, I took the same amount I used for each box braid and I separated that into 5. So right here I'm starting with a small piece of hair and I'm gonna increase it as I braid along. So you want to start with a small piece of hair and then increase it as you braid along, and also making sure you have the same amount of hair you use for each box braid, so that way once you're done doing your feet in braids, all the braids will be the same, equal size, not like some would be big and some would be small, some would be medium. So by taking the amount of hair you use for each box braid and separating that into the amount of hair you want for the cornrows, you can separate it into 4, into 5, into 6, depending on the length of the cornrows you are working with. Okay. Okay, here is the finished result before going ahead to coil the tip of the braid. So to do that, I'm taking a medium-sized flexi rod and I'm gonna take the hair and wrap it around the flexi rod. So I'm just gonna take that, twist the braids and wrap it around, twist and wrap, twist and wrap. So that will help to give me the coil texture I'm going for the tip of the braids. So I just wrap it all the way down and then bend the flexi rod to secure it in place. So moving on to the next step is to dip it into hot water. Please be careful with this part right here. If you're doing it yourself, do not burn yourself, and also you want to make sure to have a towel beside you to dry off the excess water. Next, right here, using the scissors, I went ahead and cut off the tip of the coils before going in to separate them. And I separate the coils while the braids are still wet, so that helps to ensure that the coils are well defined and not messed up. Is the final result of the knotless goddess braids. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and also if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. If you already subscribed, thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.